Thank you very much. Thank you, Uzbekistan, for this absolutely fantastic hosting of the GA of the UNWTO for the last few days. It's been amazing. I'm going to speak on a couple of things which are a little different about sustainability. When we are talking about sustainability, we are talking about cultural heritage. We are talking about the social sustainability. We talk about climate changes, we talk about global warming, we talk about the pollutions, we talk about the no plastics, which are, I think, the heart of the sustainable practices. And these are very important points. What is the key for the SCO countries? And I am standing in front of you representing the incredible India. We hosted the G20 summit recently with huge success, and India has emerged as a global leader after the G20 summit, more especially, and is leading the world in the sustainability. I think India is taking a huge leadership in making the sustainable practice as one of its principal goal and mission. My previous speaker spoke about the hospitality industry very nicely when he was talking about people serving people. It's an industry, our industry, the tourism industry, the travel industry, hospitality, aviation. It's all about people. It's for the people, by the people, of the people, and everybody is involved. Is what is bread and butter for the people, for the economy. So let's concentrate on the social sustainability as much as we do for the physical sustainability.